calculated by the organization. So discussing about the challenges, now let's come to the question, why do we need synchronization and migration across ALM tools? So firstly, it's the data visibility across the tools. We want to see the data of one tool to be displayed in another tool. We also call it data plumbing. Secondly, we can create traceability between the objects in different tools so that when one object in one tool gets changed, we will be able to know what are the impacts being raised on other objects in other tools. So it is actually creating a change management and impact analysis across different tools. Thirdly, with integration in place, we would also be able to define process automation across tools for the whole life cycle. We use different tools that have their own workflow. But what about that workflow that cuts across the tool boundaries and creates a whole life cycle process? So we should be able to do that when we integrate different tools. And lastly but not least, integration helps us to produce different kinds of reports, matrix, APIs, dashboards out of the data coming from different tools. Due to the relationships between the objects in different tools, we can create such matrix and reports, which would have been otherwise impossible to derive from a single tool. So